Hi YouTubers, welcome back to Adventure Hunger. Today we're going to be making our Shalgam the Sabzi with Matar, also known as turnips. The ingredients we're going to be cooking with are 2 large turnips, 1 tomato, 1 green chili, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, also known as Jeera, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder or Haldi, 1 teaspoon red chili powder or Kashmiri Mirch, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala, 1 bay leaf, 1/4 cup peas, ginger, and garlic. To get started, we're going to wash and peel our turnips. Then we're going to dice them into medium-sized cubes. Next, we're going to finely chop our ginger and garlic. And chop your onions and tomatoes into small pieces. Let's get cooking. Place your pan on medium heat, add your oil, add your Jeera aka cumin seeds, your onions, green chili, ginger, garlic, and your bay leaf, and mix the ingredients till the onions are golden brown. After the onions are golden brown, we're going to add our spices, starting with our salt, our haldi powder or turmeric powder, coriander powder, and our Kashmiri Mirch or red chili powder. After 2 minutes, we're going to add the tomatoes, making sure to mix frequently and thoroughly. Almost there, you guys. We're going to add the turnips and the peas and mix them well. Lastly, add the garam masala. Add a small amount of water, cover the dish, allowing the steam to cook the turnips over low heat. In between, open the lid, stir the vegetables, and check for doneness. Once the turnips are cooked through and tender, garnish them with finely chopped coriander leaves and enjoy! Thank you for watching!